In this video, I will show you how to use the power of Claude and artificial intelligence to instantly generate and publish a high-converting FAQ section directly to your live WordPress website. Many content creators spend way too much time manually thinking of questions and formatting them into their blog posts. However, you can automate this entire workflow using just one powerful prompt. Before we start, make sure you have your target article title ready. This specific method works best when you give the AI precise instructions on where to find your content and how to format the technical code. To begin, open Claude and use this exact sequence. Tell the AI to find and read your specific WordPress post by providing the exact article title. Then, instruct it to generate 5 highly relevant customer questions based on that text. The key to a great user experience is keeping the answers short and clear, ideally under 2 sentences each. Now here is the magic part of the prompt. You must ask Claude to format these into a clean HTML block section using Gutenberg-compatible header blocks. Finally, tell the AI to append them directly to the bottom of the live article through your integration. By using this single prompt, you eliminate the need for manual design and coding. The AI analyzes your existing content to determine what readers are actually curious about, ensuring the FAQs provide genuine value. This not only improves your user engagement, but it can also help your search engine rankings by adding relevant keyword-rich content to your pages automatically. Once you hit enter, Claude will process the data and the changes will reflect on your site. This streamlined process saves you hours of formatting work and keeps your website looking professional with zero extra effort on your part.